You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. This car needs a lot of work. The issues in this car, and we need to start working on those issues to make it a better car. Today, we're gonna take out the whole body kit on this car and take out panels so we can get to the bottom of this and solve it all. First thing we need to do is clean this mess up. Take out everything that I don't need. Old water pump that I repaired at the guy's house. O2 sensor. One fuse, relay, whatever. I'm gonna keep that just in case it's important. I also noticed a lot of 240s, they usually have kickers, speakers in them. I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna put them on my pile of parts just in case. If they work, that would be amazing. Now I have everything moved out of the way. These stuff I need just in case. If car overheats, I have this. And that's for the tire air. And jumper packs, because you never know, it's a 240. So one of the stuff I realized, I knew the harness is kind of messed up. The guy told me it was refreshed, so that needs to be wire tucked with a cover on it or something. And I need my glove compartment. I have the glove box thing. They have the AC one. I just need this neater. I need this to be better looking. And then over here, the rust that I showed you in the last video. And of course, we got the rear seats. The second thing I want to do is take the quarter panels off the over fenders, because I want to see what's under, how's the condition of the quarter panels, and I want to redo it since it's done very, very poorly. Now let's hope this doesn't strip like what happens to me usually. It's very snug, so it should be good, yes. One is out. So I also need to know how to remove the nuts that you press in. I forgot what they're called. I have the tool to put them on, but I'm not sure if it uncrushes it. But I need to figure that out and remove the ones originally in here because they're rusted out. The good thing about this body kit is it's fiberglass. So there's a lot of the holes that's drilled into them already are bad. So I need to redo them basically. Most of these bolts are broken halfway because they're so rusted out. So hopefully that wouldn't be too hard to take the other half and the nut that's crushed in there. I think this quarter panel is kind of rusty because the guy cut it and he didn't finish the cutting job. And as well, he also didn't do the job on the quarter panel right. The other side, I'm pretty sure is very good condition though. And if you're the guy that did it, I'm sorry, I'm not shit talking. It just could have been done better. Yeah, that's the last one and then I'm good. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn, that's bad. Damn. I'll put this over here. Woof. So as you can see, guys, over here we have a red, yellow, black car. Loki looks fire. I think this car was for a guy in Club Loose, New Jersey. So if you see this, hope you're enjoying the series of returning this car back to life. But that's really, really, really rough. Stop complaining me and let me continue the work. We got this side off again as well. Yeah, this side is a lot better. A lot better. You can see over here, this side is a lot better. Better condition. The quarters itself is better. There is rust, of course. This could, but very minimum. So this could be repaired when I cut it either way and actually shape it better. And I have a question for you guys. What do you think? Should I mold in the body kit, cut it in here, body filler, Bondo, make it fit nice and looks flush, or should I keep the bolts look? My opinion, I prefer the flush look, but let me know. As you can see here, so far both quarters are off. One is really bad, one is a lot better. Now with the bumper. So to open the trunk, we gotta pull this and push it up. And it's usually a two-man's job. So I'm gonna try to do it. Oh, actually, never mind. Today is not. Today is not a two-man's job. Okay, so of course, all different bolts. And of course, none of them is tight. Okay, so this. Now this should be the last bolt, and then the Phillips head. Okay, the Phillips just fell. Okay, we got the rear bumper off, and we got the trunk. Damn, that looks so crazy. Looks so weird, looks so messed up, but it is what it is. So now you can see all the issues with this car from the back only so far. So we get the quarter, we gotta fix this, and here there's literally nothing, I would say. Here is basically also not bad, besides we gotta cut it, mold it up, clean it, make sure it's really well done. And we also got the tail lights and the trunk floors. As of this, then we got the bumper, so we're Gucci about this so far. So I turned the car on to warm it up because I haven't turned it on in a couple of days. I've been dailying the R34. It was my daily originally, but I'm planning to just park it in the garage for right now because the insurance is really high on me. So my plan with this car is to try to get it semi done from interior wise. Let's say the trunk hole, I want to get that patched and cleaned and done, so I can drive it and daily it with no issues of how loud it is from the inside, because I'm really suffering with that issue. So my plan is within the next 6 days, I might get the hole in the trunk cleaned up, patch it up with a sheet of metal, still make it lightweight, but clean it up, make sure it doesn't rust more or have more rust to it. Wiring is messed up. I honestly don't know what exhaust setup this is. The guy told me it might be an eBay, but I know it sounds really bad. Sponsors, please. I was thinking while I'm at it, I should just clean up this part of it, cut it off. I can't weld it just yet. So as of this side, what I'm gonna do, chop the top pieces off because it's still got a lot of Bondo that I need to sand off and fix, then pull out. But these pieces I need to cut off because they don't belong there. So this is a lot better. You can see the dent is basically out, and I can fix up the cut underneath, and I can fix the rust with metal, and then we'll sand the whole car off, this side, that side. The whole car needs to be sanded off, and then we clean the glass off the top, fix body panels, fix the over fenders, fiberglass, and even try to find a way to fit the side skirts way flush, then like that, where they're peeking out. That's all I'm gonna do for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please leave me a comment, to subscribe, and support the channel for me to keep going. And for you guys to see more content of this and that. Thank you for watching.